32. So in every number we have to add 8, right? So if we are supposing that the first multiple of 8 is x, then second multiple is x plus 8, and third multiple is x plus 16. Okay, so first we are converting this statement into equation x plus 8 and x plus 16. Now again you can read the question. The sum of these three multiple of 8 is 880. It means we have to add these three multiple of 8. So we are adding x plus 8, x plus 16. The sum of these three multiple is 888. Now it is very easy. You can see here x plus x plus x. It means it is 3x plus 8 plus 16. It is 24 is equal to 888. Now we can see 3x is equal to, we are subtracting this 24 on the right hand side. So we get 3x is equal to 8 minus 4, 4, 8 minus 2, 6, and 8, 864. So if you want to find x, 3 is in multiplication with x, so we are sending on the right hand side to the division. So now you can see we are divide 864 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 2 remainder 26, 3 8s are 24, 2 remainder 4, 24, 3 8s are 24. What is the answer? 280.
288.
It means the value of x is 288, right? But it is not final answer. Whenever you solve any problem question, you have to write down this answer in a form of statement. So we are writing that it means, hence we can write down that multiple of 8 is 288. It is the first multiple. Second multiple, it is x plus 8. It means 288 plus 8, 296. And the third multiple, it is x plus 16. It means 218 plus 16, 304. It is your correct answer. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like this, you have to solve every problem sum.
Yes, sir.
Now
Okay,
you
sir.
can see question number 8.
In
1 minute, boy, girls. Okay. Now you can see question number 8. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find this number. Okay, now we are dividing this whole statement into three parts. You can see the first part, three consecutive integers. So we are supposing three consecutive integers in our board. You can see. For example, suppose that suppose three consecutive integer. Consecutive means girls. Consecutive means
yes, sir.
in order, right? So first number is x, then second number is x plus 1, and third number is x plus 2. It is consecutive integer number. Clear, all of you? It is the first part of our
Yes,
statement. Now you can see the second part of statement. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, and 4, it means we have to multiply these three number with 2, 3, and 4 respectively.
3 and
So we are multiplying x with 2, it means it is 2x. We are
2x.
multiplying x plus 1 with 3, and we are multiplying x plus 2 with 4. Clear, all of you?
4.
It is the second part of our statement. Then third part of our statement, they add up to 74. It means we have to add this three number up to 74. So we get 2x plus 3 in bracket x plus 1 plus 4 in bracket x plus 2 is equal to 74. Clear all of you? Now you can solve it easily. 2x plus we are multiplying this bracket. So 3 into x, 3x plus 3 ones are 3. Plus like same like this 4 into x, 4x plus 4 twos are 8 is equal to 74. Are you getting this?
Yes,
Are
sir.
Yes,
you
sir.
okay? Now you can see we are adding this like term 2x plus 3x, 5x and 5x plus 4x, 9x plus 3 and 8, it is 11 is equal to 74. So it means 9x is equal to, we are taking 11 to the right side. So it is negative and 9x is equal to 74 minus 11, it is 63. So we get x is equal to 63 by 9. And we know that 9 ones are 9 and 9 sevens are 63. So we get x is equal to 7. Clear all of you? But it is not our final
Yes, sir.
answer. It is not final answer. We have to write down this answer in problems statement form. Hence, three
Yes.
consecutive integers, three consecutive integers
Yes.
are 7, 8, and 9.
Eight.
Clear all of you?
Yes,
It is
sir.
your second question.
Yes.
One girls. Mistakes are there. One. It is difficult to. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now you can see question number 9. Okay, now you can see question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in a ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Okay, now you can see we are dividing this statement into three parts. First part, the age of Rahul and Harun are in a ratio 5:7. It is first part. Then second part, 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. So 4 years later, it is second part, and the sum of their ages will be 56 years. It is third part. Clear all of you? So we are supposing
Yes,
here
sir.
that, for example, Rahul and Harun. Harun's present age, we are supposing that because of it is in ratio 5:7, so we are supposing 5x and 7x respectively, right? So it means the present age of Rahul, it is 5x, Harun's present age, it is 7. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Again read the statement, please see. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in a ratio 5:7. So it means the Rahul's present age is 5x and the Harun's present age is 7x. It is first statement. Now second, 4 years later. Now I am asking you one question. Give me answer. Okay, what is your age right now? Something 12 or 13 years, right? 13 or 14 years. Okay, after 4 years, what is your age? What will be your age?
13, 17 years.
17 years. So what you are doing? Just you have to add 4 years because of 4 years later I am asking. So we are adding
Yes.
only 4. If your current age, present age is 13, then you are adding 4, it means 13 plus 4, 17. If your current age is 14, you are adding 4, your age will be 18 years.
18.
So here Rahul and Harun's present age is 5x and 7. After 4 years, what is the age of Rahul? What will be the age of Rahul and Harun? So just we have to add 4. So you can see after 4 years, the ages of Rahul and Harun will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 respectively. Are you getting my point, girls? Are you getting my point? First, we are supposing that Rahul and Harun's present age is 5x and 7x respectively. Now you know that after 4 years, we have to add 4. So we are
We are
adding
adding
4
4
years in
years in
Rahul.
Ram.
Mute your
Mute
mic.
your mic.
After 4 years, ages of Rahul and Harun will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 respectively. It is the second part of our question. Now the third part. In third part is it is given that you can see 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So the sum of these two age, which two age? 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. It is
7x plus 4.
54. Clear all of you? 56, not it is 54,
Yes.
56 years. Clear all of you? The age of Rahul and Harun after 4 years, the sum of these two ages, it is 56. So we are adding these two. Now you can easily solve this question. Add this like term 5x and 7x, 12x plus 4, it is 8 is equal to 56. So it means 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. So we get 12x is equal to 48. And we know that x is equal to 48 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12 and 12 fours are 48. So we get x is equal to 4. But it is not our final answer. Hence, Rahul and Harun's present is age are ages are what is the present age of Rahul? It is 5x. It means 5 fours are 20, right? And what is the present age of Harun? It is 7x. It means 7 fours are 20. Clear all of you respectively.
Yes, sir.
So like this we have to solve every problem question. Any doubt, girls?
No, sir.
100% sure?
Yes.
Okay, now we can see question number 10.
सर सर लिखने तो दो.
बेटा मैं बाद में सबको टाइम दूंगा लिखने के लिए, अभी यहाँ पर ध्यान दो. Okay, question number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in a ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Okay, very easy question. You can see. Ratio given here 7:5. It means we are supposing that in a class, suppose in a class, number of boys are 7x and number of girls are 5x. Now it is also given that the number of boys are 8 more than number of girls. So it means if we have number of girls 5x, we add 8. It means it is equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Again read the statement. Number of boys are more than 8 number of girls. So it means if number of girls is 5x and we are adding with 8, we get number of boys. So it is clearly our equation. What happened? Okay, so it means 7, sorry, we are taking 5x to the left side. So we get 7x minus 5x, 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 by 2, and we get x is equal to 2 4s are 8. We get 4. But it is not answer. Hence we can write down that number of boys in a class boys are, we get x is equal to 4, but we know that number of boys are 7x. So it means 7 4s are 28. And number of girls, we get 5x, and 5x means 5 4s are 20. Clear, all of you? Clear, all
Yes,
of
sir.
you?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
write
Yes,
down
sir.
question number question number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Please write down fast.
Okay, sir.
I am giving you 5 minutes time. Please write down fast.
Mm, mm,
जल्दी से लिखो girls. We have to do two more questions, 11 and 12.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
what you have written, Rahul and Harun will
Yes,
be
Rahul and Harun will be here.
Yes, sir.
5x plus 4. 5x plus 4. Rahul's present age is 5x, and then after 4 years, its age will be 5x plus 4.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, Rahul and Harun માં 5x પછી શું લખ્યું?
Plus
Therefore,
4.
5
Plus 4.
plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equals to 56. 12x minus 3 plus 8 equals to 56. Okay. 12x is equal to 6 minus 8. 12x equals to 48. X is equals to
Mute
48.
your mic. Okay, written all of you.
Yes, no, sir. 1 minute.
Write down fast. We have to do one more question. Huh? Please write down fast. In one lecture, minimum we have to do 5 questions.
Sir, return. Sir, 1 minute.
Those who are
Last
still writing, please write down fast.
Plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Which property is commutative property under addition? Sure.
Sir, some word. Sir, return.
Okay, girls, written all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we will do question number 11 to 16 in next lecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, written all of you girls.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Return.
Okay. Okay, so we will do all other questions in next lecture, right?
Yes.
From 11 to 16 we will do in next lecture. Any doubt, girls?
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir.
No doubt.
What?
Bye,
Bye bye,
sir.
all
Have
of
a
you.
nice day.
Bye, sir.
Enjoy.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
90%.